When it comes to luxury beyond imagination, the world's most expensive hotels offer experiences that transcend mere accommodation. They are opulent showcases of wealth, design, and service, pushing the boundaries of extravagance and catering to a clientele with pockets as deep as their desire for exclusivity. Here are some contenders for the crown of most expensive. Top contenders: Atlantis, the Royal Dubai, with suites starting at $100,000 per night. The Royal boasts underwater suites with ocean views, private infinity pools, and even butler service for your robotic fish. The Mark Hotel, New York, the presidential suite here can run you $75,000 per night, offering panoramic views of Central Park, a marble bathroom with a soaking tub, and a walk-in closet bigger than most apartments. Hotel President Wilson, Geneva, this Swiss haven offers the Royal Penthouse Suite for $80,000 per night, boasting bulletproof windows, a telescope for stargazing, and a private spa with a hammam and jacuzzi. Laukala Island Resort, Fiji, for $61 to $142 per night. You can rent the entire Fijian island of Laukala, complete with 25 private villas, 5 restaurants, a golf course, and a private airstrip. Conrad Maldives, Rangali Island, this Maldivian paradise offers the Muraka Overwater Villa for $50,000 per night, featuring an underwater bedroom with panoramic views of the marine life. Bonus mentions: the Royal Mansour Marrakesh Moroccan Opulence takes center stage with its $43,480 per night royal suite, featuring intricate mosaics, a private hammam, and a rooftop terrace with stunning city views. Four Seasons Grand Hotel du Lac, Geneva, for $56,458 per night. The Royal Penthouse Suite here offers panoramic views of Lake Geneva, a private balcony with a telescope, and a marble bathroom with a jacuzzi. Burj Al Arab, Dubai, while not the most expensive these days, this iconic sail-shaped hotel still claims bragging rights with its underwater suite, starting at around $24,000 per night. Beyond the price tag, remember the expense of these hotels goes beyond just the room rate. Often it's the bespoke experiences, personalized service, and access to exclusive amenities that truly justify the cost. From private yacht outings and helicopter tours, to in-suite massages by celebrity chefs and Michelin-starred tasting menus, these hotels cater to every whim and desire. Is it for you? Ultimately, whether these hotels are worth it depends on your personal definition of luxury, your travel budget, and your willingness to indulge in an experience that most only dream of. But one thing's for sure, spending a night or two in one of these opulent havens is sure to be an unforgettable memory. Note: prices and rankings can fluctuate due to seasonality, special offers, and currency exchange rates. It's important to research current rates and availability before booking your stay at any of these luxury destinations. I hope this information gives you a glimpse into the world of ultra-luxury accommodation.